Welcome to my channel, and what I do here is solve technical drawing problems, and this is a channel that will help you to improve in your technical drawing skill. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and help me to share the videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. As I said, you are going to learn a lot here, and this channel will help you to improve on your technical drawing skill. What I want to do now is to show you how you can construct an isometric circle, how you can draw an isometric circle. And to do that, you need to construct an isometric square of whose length be equal to the diameter of the isometric circle that you have to construct. So I'm going to use 50 millimeters as the length of the square, so which means the diameter of the isometric circle is 50 millimeters. So please subscribe to this channel and help me to share my videos with your friends. As I said, thank you, and let's go. Now the first thing to do is for us to construct an isometric square. As I said, if you have to construct an isometric circle, so we draw a line. Okay, so we want to construct an isometric square, so we need to make use of our 30-degree set square in construction of the isometric circle. So I will draw a line in this direction with my 30-degree set square. Also, I will turn to this side and draw a line in this direction like this. So on this line, on these two lines, so from this point here, I'll be taking a measurement of 50 millimeters to this side, 50 millimeters to this side from this point here. So this is 50 millimeters. Then at the same time, I will divide that 50 into 2, that is 25 each. Also, I will also take 50 millimeters from this point here. I will take it to this side, and at the same time I will take half that 50, which is 25. So what I need to do now, after taking the measurement, is to construct the square. So from this point, here, so I will draw a line in this direction like this, and from this point also, so where we have that 50 on this side, okay, so I will draw a line in this direction. Then with that 25 that we take as the midpoint, so I will draw a line in this direction. Then also I will also draw a line in this direction. So now, so we have the square in place, and we have divided the side into two equal parts. So I will call this point, I will call it point A, and I will call this point, I will call it point B. This point I will call it point C, and this point I will call it point D. So then I will call this point here, I will call it point E, and this point I will call it F, and this is point G, and this is point H. Okay, so this method that we are using is known as four-center method. So what you need to do now, is to join the longest diagonal together. So that is AC. So we join AC together like this. So we join AC together. Just take it easy. So join AC together like this. That's the longest diagonal. So having joined AC together, so the next thing that we are going to do is to join BH together. So we join BH together like this. Then we also join BE together. So we join BE together like this. Okay. Then we join DF together. So we join DF together like this. Okay, so we join DF together, and we also join DG together. We join DG together like this. Okay, now, so the centers that we are going to use, as I said, that this method is known as four-center method. So the center that we are going to use, this is our center 1, this point here. This point is center 1. So this is center 1, and this is center 2. So this point here is center 2, and I will take this point 3, point B, I will say take it as center 3, and this point D, I will take it as center 4. So those are the 4 centers that we are going to make use of for us to draw the isometric circle. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to put the pinpoint at center 1 here. Putting that center 1 here, the pinpoint of our compass we put at center 1, and we extend it to F. Extend it to F here, so we can test it with this. Okay. Okay. So we extend it to F here, so that we can draw the isometric circle. So if I draw from here, okay, so just take it easy and draw it gently. Draw it gently. Okay. So okay, so we have that part drawn. So then we come here. So it will still touch, this will still touch point G here. So it touch point G. So then we turn it round from here. So turn it round like this. So take it easy, so that, okay. Alright, so we have that. So the next thing that we're going to do is to put at center 3 here, and we extend it to H. So we extend it to H. Okay, so by the time I draw from here, so it will meet this side. Okay. Then, so I'll put at this point here, and it will touch this point. Then I'll just turn it round like this. So this is an isometric circle. This is an isometric circle. Alright, this is an isometric circle. This is how it will look if you do it as I've done it here. So thank you for watching, and keep on practicing. God bless you.